Aloo Gosht or mutton curry with potatoes is a Pakistani meat curry made with meat and potatoes in a curry base made of onion and tomatoes. The recipe includes the stovetop method and pressure cooker method. Ingredients: 1 kg hen, 1 onion and green chili, 3 to 4 potatoes, 1 teaspoon ginger plus garlic, 2 chopped tomatoes and fresh coriander, 1 teaspoon salt, kasoori methi, mix masala, turmeric, curry powder, medium madras, chili powder, and fennel Greek. Steps of cooking: boil the hen before cooking because it needs time to be tender. The pressure cooker can be used to boil the meat because it is quick and easy. And then same water in which meat was boiled, it can be used in next cooking process. After that, start the fire and add 1/4 cup of oil until becomes warm. Then add the onion and cook until become brown. Now it's time to add ginger and garlic and then cook for 2 to 5 minutes. Add the tomatoes until they become paste together with the ground spices. One teaspoon salt, kasoori methi, mix masala, turmeric, curry powder, medium madras, chili powder, and fennel Greek. Add also the potatoes until become soft. Then add the water, which was used to boil the hen. On the end, add the meat and cook until the masalas are separated from the oil. On the end, garnish with coriander. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.